'Twas the day before Christmas, and all through the land were many who shopped early with gifts nicely planned. They didn't delay. They didn't procrastinate. They didn't wait till the last minute to shop for their mate. Their gifts were all bought, not a ribbon to wrap, with time left to spare for a long winter's nap. Then there was I, with my loved one in mind, who waited till now for a gift hard to find. With no time to spare, I searched far and wide, hoping that online, something divine would reside. Right then and there, to my absolute delight, I found the perfect gift. It just felt right. For the one who loves leather, who loves how things are made, who creates works of art, bold, sculpted, and brave. With no crowds, no chaos, no holiday hustle, my gift worries vanished. I had the perfect thing for Russell. So I clicked buy now and placed it in my cart. The Dragon Scales Masterclass to learn how to make leather art. Merry Christmas to all, and to all, a good night. Thanks for watching. And I hope your holidays are filled with much love, joy, and peace. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.